as you know, you are a part of the Bollywood community, तो आपको लगता है कि लॉ जो कायम हुआ है 5 करोड़ तो अपन बॉलीवुड में और पाकिस्तान एक्टर्स को दिया जाएगा तो 5 करोड़ का जो
ये लॉ है? Are you sure? Because I think आपको information बिल्कुल wrong मिली है. तो जब भी आपको correct information मिलेगी तब मैं ये answer करूँगी. Okay, next question.
मुकेश जी, आज की इस मीटिंग में क्या बातचीत हुई और क्या कोई निर्णय निकला है कि आखिर किस प्रकार इस मामले को हल किया जाए? लाइव मुकेश जी.
The Film Producers Guild of India was called by the Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Fadnavis ji, and we had a very interesting, a very constructive meeting. How do we resolve this unfortunate thing that has happened vis-a-vis the release of Karan Johar's film? And we had various discussions where I, on behalf of my fraternity, shared the emotions of my entire industry that we are Indians first, and for us, our Indian sentiments are the most important thing for us, more than even our business. Having said that, we came to some kind of an understanding between us to prove what we mean from the bottom of our heart, and I assured Mr. Fadnavis, the Chief Minister, Mr. Thackeray was also, Raj Thackeray ji was also there, and I told them that the Guild has taken a decision in the larger interest of the sentiments of the people and the soldiers and the entire every country, that we will not work with any Pakistani artists in the future. This is a resolution. As the President of the Guild, I am going to call for an extraordinary meeting and pass this resolution, and the copy of which I will send it to the INB Ministry, under which the film industry comes under. So we will send a copy to the INB Ministry and also one copy to the CM. We have also said that keeping in the spirit with the sentiment of the nation and the heart of every Indian, Mr. Karan Johar has very graciously offered to put a slate honoring the martyrs of Uri before the film begins, even before the slate of his dear father, Mr. Yash Johar, comes. He decided to put a slate honoring the martyrs before even his own father. I feel that's a great gesture to prove his genuine emotion towards the martyred soldiers. Whatever we do for the soldiers is very less, because what they have done is it cannot be reciprocated in 7 lives, if you ask me. And third thing, we have also offered, Mr. Karan Johar has offered, and also a lot of producers who are going to contribute to the Army Welfare Fund, to the Defence Minister, Mr. Parrikar, as our small, humble contribution to the best of our capability, irrespective whether the picture runs or doesn't run. God forbid, even if the film doesn't run. He has promised, and also many producers will definitely follow suit, because we believe that we owe this to the army. This has not been a compulsion from the CM or something like that. Please don't read something which is not implied. We are doing it purely as a voluntary gesture from the Producers Guild, all the producers who genuinely feel that they want to contribute to the army and for the welfare of the army and for the welfare of the soldiers who have given their lives for the nation. This is a gesture in a small way. And above all, I want to say one thing. With this decision, the impasse and the deadlock which was unfortunately created between an Indian and an Indian because of terrorism. See, this is what terrorism does. How it divides even a nation together. We are brothers. And I was very happy to meet that everybody has now come on the same page, so that the most important festival of the year for India is Diwali. So, and we owe the nation a great and a happy Diwali, and Ae Dil Mushkil now, without any issues, any problem, any kind of fear whatsoever. I want to appeal to the entire country, the audiences, the people of India. Please celebrate Diwali. I wish you a very, very happy Diwali with Ae Dil Mushkil. Yes.